This would not be a part of our memory if we did not make an impulsive decision. I'm so glad we didn't stick to our initial plan. Our original plan is to do some rock climbing in Durango. I mean, I'm not against anything to Durango, nor rock climbing. It could have been fun, like what we did in Arkansas River.
Just make sure it won't pop off.
Tarzan! That's probably gonna take another episode. Anyways, so it really is just about the rainy weather, but nothing else. After we left the Great Sand Dunes, at the end of the other episode, we drove 3 hours to Durango and camped the night there. On the way, we passed through San Juan National Forest. We stopped for a break, and it was the perfect time to get some drone shots. Man, I love my car. So, when my drone was up in the air, I saw a lot of birds were circling around my drone. I flew my drone so many places, but this was the first. The Colorado birds are aggressive. And then we reached the destination for the night. It's a camping spot that was found online by John. We are officially entering the forest.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not.
It'll snap.
Yes.
What a narcissist.
That was honestly the part I was most worried about.
All good. I think I took this car to its limit.
Go straight. Yep. Am I straight? Yep. Straight.
Anyways, I didn't drive recklessly on a dirt road. I mean, that recklessly. For this clip, I just want to demonstrate I did it with the help of my friend Emery. So our strategy is to have one guy to be in the front leading the way and spotting for obstacles like rocks, and have the other guy in the car to drive. We had a lot of communications going on.
Right over it. I don't think you would hit.
At the end, I guess we did it just fine. The weather wasn't really nice to us. Those were hailstones hitting on the windshield of my car in June. Scary! It wasn't a very long drive to Mesa Verde National Park. This is quite an amazing park, but not the highlight of this video. We were on top of a canyon, quite like the one in my New Mexico episode. The best part of this park is the cave-in dwelling on the side of the cliff. It is actually quite an amazing idea that people can even do that.
Dude, what is that?
I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love, love.
Oh, come on, John.
I got love.
My tires need some air, and I need them at optimum conditions for the ultimate off-road driving. It was a 2-hour drive from Mesa Verde National Park in Colorado to Shiprock, New Mexico. As the Shiprock got closer and closer, we knew we were almost there.
It's what I've got. You couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something.
Wanna make it?
Good, baby.
I was stoked. We hadn't planned on it, but happened to overhear an old couple say that in their glory days they spent the night under Shiprock. And we thought to ourselves, these are our glory days. So with an impulsive decision, we decided to go for it and see what it was all about.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Once we got there, we knew it was just too beautiful not to spend the night ourselves.
How is there air to breathe out here? You know what I mean?
know.
It's like an ocean of desert. After the entire day of crazy adventures, we decided to treat ourselves with some of the best food I think I have ever made, and that's macaroni grilled cheese. I mean, it really was the only thing left in our food supply, but we made it work, and who cares? It was pretty good. Waking up at 6 with a cup of coffee in my hand, I was able to witness some wild horses that were roaming in the desert plains of New Mexico. And I think I got to witness the best sunrise I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, ever. Hell yeah, dude.
The sunrise is unreal. The Shiprock is unreal. Us being out here is unreal. Under the stars, we shared the great memories with a weird rock in the middle of nowhere of New Mexico. I am Antares, and I'll see you next episode.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car.